Okay, you guys, we're gonna start making our Yule pot for Christmas, or actually for New Year's this year. It starts to smell so nice. The whole house smells just perfect. And I put the pine cones or pine branches, some orange, some star anise, cranberries, oranges, on a very low fire. And then we're gonna add slowly, we're gonna add a bunch of stuff to make it, smell like mulling spices. So we're adding some allspice. We're gonna do it together. So allspice, then we're gonna add some cloves. We're gonna add some cloves. And then we're gonna add the nutmeg. The nutmeg that smells so good, very fragrant. Smells like gingerbread cookies. And we're gonna add some cinnamon sticks together. And of course, I have the star anise that smells also very fragrant, very spicy, and it just makes the whole house smell like Christmas, or for a rainy day it smells like the holidays and fresh baked cookies. So yeah, I hope everyone is healthy and happy for this brand new 2026 year.